Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram voice message on your phone. To know how to fix Instagram voice message, you should just go here to settings. As you see, we click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here and you will click here. And then in this list you will go down to Instagram like this. And then here you will find this page and you will go to force stop and you will click. Then when you will click in force stop, you will go to storage and you will click. Here we will go to clear cache, and after that we will click here clear data. So then you can turn off your Wi-Fi, as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.